For the last year, I have not reinstalled Windows because over time I regularly update my Windows. And that's the reason whenever an update is available, I update Windows. This is how you can avoid error. Also, don't use any tool to disable Windows Update services without proper knowledge. In most cases, issues arise when people disable services using third-party tools. As I have already uploaded a video on my channel in which I have created a pad file to reset all Windows. Update components. Bat file is a CMD extension that can be easily created through Notepad, and in this file, all the commands are applied automatically one by one, saving time. You can check it in the description. The link is mentioned there. In today's video, we will discuss an easy method to forcefully update Windows. Most heat pupils might have seen it, but maybe they have not tried it yet. So you need to search for Windows Update on Google Windows, 10 Update Assistant, and hit Enter. Now, once you hit Enter, you will get here the Microsoft Support website. On the top, just open this website, and once you are here, Windows 10 Update Assistant. Now, simply you can see here, download the Update Assistant. You can read all the paragraph or article if you want. Otherwise, just click over there. I'll put the link in the description so it's easy for you to navigate this website this page. Now, here you can see Windows 1020, 22 Update version 22H2. Simply, you need to click on the download. Once you click on the download, select the destination and click on Save. Once you have done this, just double tap on it, and a user prompt will appear. Just click on Yes. So after downloading, simply launch it and it will automatically update your Windows. Follow any prompt that pop up in this Windows tab. So yeah, your problem should be fixed. And you can update your Windows to the latest version. I hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, please share them in the comment section, and we will respond to you as soon as possible. Until then, take care and goodbye.